guys, welcome to this very important training session at least workforce training and development. In help you to explore together a very important topic in the world of business and organization, workforce training and development. In this video, we will deeply in fashion aspect relation to training for its definition, objective, type of training, to how to systematical implement it. I will also explain why here training and development asset systematic. Long-time environment that contact be included by an organization that want to go and complex efficient in a increasing deeply global marketplace. Let's try by building a basic understanding vision on provide a strong foundation before motivation onto more complex discussion. Workforce training and development are often physical system training and learning activities and education or workshop. However, there are assessment broader and more in-depth process that involve our planning, implementation, and evaluation. Training is the training in learning process and improving and education knowledge and skill to perform this job better. Development on the earth has implicit creation in attitude, strategic reasoning skill, and long-term person and professional goals that prepare the for channel. Therefore, training vocation and the course need will development is crucial and present. In the context of modern organization, training and development are vital to for adjusting rapid channel revolution for technological advance, card globalization and inflation here and dynamic complex demands who must resort or fear of the keep case with rich development after fall being learning to different work efficient and potential development to organization. Therefore, development is a present and systematic training program is crucial of marketing and organization competitive and sustainability. One of main reasons between training and development so be a positively and because today how play demands rapid skill channel and competition adaptation. Technology channel, for example, mean the so previously manual and relation tasks most of the performance and with the help of digital system and automation, learning new conscious skill with the right training, employer can update and implement their competitive advantage and improving the channel. Both physical need training also has psychological and social benefit. Employer how are give to competitive innovation and development feel value and feel for by company will automatically increase work motivation and loyalty. This sense of the stimulation and motivation will lead sooner and later which after become and significant burden for organization in the form of relation and training complex for the employer potential training profits and the foundation for building up strong organization culture where learning and innovation become play of the way of value. Training also play a role in development learning potential to child development programs. The illustration that organization has quality changer to take off can positive equations smart operation and strategic competitive. When implementation training and development, stickle the right people and mentor the crucial to the score of the program. Several types of training are company and competitive. On the job training. This method allows employer and those working under the wings of the mentor in their supervisor. The effort of this method is direct example in relation work context, allowing for and to more efficient transfer For learning, examples include training on how to use new application of specific soft relation in the workplace. Of the job training, this is also context of the workplace, such as evening conference, seminar, or workplace physical research and to provide in-depth technological practical marketing. This method ensures of the development skill that will freshen attention with crucial to road and work. Tactical training. Diffusion of marketing specific skill direct relation to the job, sharing competitive program, production technology, or competition safety standards. Soft skill training. This is crucial of development personality and behavior aspect, sort of efficient communication, leadership, conflict management, creative thinking, and tech work. Child development. Beyond just typical training, this type of advance the preparation individual for get to road and reputation ability, sort as mid-level of advanced leadership training. Technology adventures have also give free and new method learning, where participants can learn implementation through digital platform, system, and iHear, and then visual communication that increase international learning, especially with real-world learning. Conflict and mention method are to become impression population because the profit personality and sustainability approach to developing education protection. To profit efficient training, organization must do several implementation systematic strategy. 1. Training need analysis. This is the integration step that must be fit, namely integration with competitive or compensing of the need to be improved, the employer basic and performance evaluation, technology channel, and long-term business goals. This analysis can be conducted using several informative and direct application. 2. Training program design. Based on the in-depth need, a clear plan and question relation to manage objective, be effort, duration, method, be to hours, and location relation goals design will facilitate the process of program implementation and evaluation. 3. Training implementation. This strategy includes the training being complex approach to serve with a competitive include of facilitator. This improve of the organization to encourage that physical and efficient agreement, and that the mitigation is variation to inflation and physical methods. 4. Training evaluation. This track measure the achievement of the program with context data from present source, physical feedback, foundation that's action and operation of the channel of the perform is the field. This evaluation asset on only physical strategy but also the act of the which the training has relation in strategy improvement. 5. Follow-up and constant development. The evaluation with several the basic follow-up strategy into adaptation, context, development, follow-up program, or absent training method. There are strategy and program here development process. Training implementation is not so the reputation of the HR department. Is crucial the active improvement of the level of management, as because direct manager play a crucial of their implementation need and motivation to the team to directing practical in the training program. There are also hours with profit support during and after training to equation staff and travel of learning to the workplace. Method here is reputation building and development, a competitive training strategy, strengthening patient education and conflict motivation and elevation to effort the program through efficiently with target and organization goals. Style between manager and here is key to score of training that's develop strategy research. Will design and implementation training and development will have or with positive and sustainability impacts. Individual work practice in retaining will gain everything skill and research marketing will most conflict and support of the optimizing training job and optimal research. This improvement is not implicit the technical aspect but also implies the development of the process activity, creative, and problem-solving skill which are hit sought after into the business work. This impact also affects the impression loyalty and competitive to work. Triple education employer turnover later. From an organization perspective, the prospect of the complex and motivation human resource will influence productivity, innovation, and the quality of the service program, making the organization relation play role to a competitive pressure and competition market change. Strategy to impact the efficiency of the training and development. 1. Building a culture of the learning in the organization. It is crucial to ensure of learning as part of the organization value and mission. This is can be by motivation employee and competitive stack and will learning application, productive election, efficient training program, and reward efforts in the personal development. With a support cultural training is not law view and as administration test but integral part of the why work field. 2. Tailor training to the company's specific need. Every company has only competitive need defining in the industry, technology, and business strategy. Key 4 is crucial to conduct in the deep need analysis and develop and training program that is true relation and working in channel aspect. This considered training will have the great and more impression impact of perform. 3. Using technology and a key support. As digital technology advance, the innovation of the learning platform, visual channel, and mobilization aspect in the key development build and strategic training program. Technology facilitation asset increasing practical aspects for the employer like in different geographic location of the boy for station for applying the learning by doing methods. Learning tool has a basic and will work experimenting in one of the most effective way. The action practice about the cloud the gain. This method can take over of simulation, text instruction, real project, or implementation assessment. Description employer the research apply the correct the have learning. 5. Continuous monitor and measure the impact of the training. Equity implies the meaning in completion evaluation process. Sure is measured not only and the completion of the training but also regulation through performance motivation, practice feedback, and key performance indicator. Measure this data can be also implement future program and measure that the improvement in training through different strategy benefit. In conclusion, workforce training and development are not measure education active that must be basic only, but strategy improvement that are visual and the long-term score of the organization through training will not only improve the physical complex and skill of the employer but also build a culture of conditional learning so that all human resource and competitive to the develop in the lead with the impression rapid days of the time. This will make the organization more effective, improve and real to face one complex business challenges. Farmers started an urban training program also increase employee motivation and loyalty, creating a harmonious relationship between individual and the organization in the context of the global competitive organization that are built to make human resource development. We will have the strong application of the development here, quality product and safety, with strengthening and positive and productive work application. Differ, let us together make for training and development to practice that can be achieved so wise and different organization vision and goals grow and sustainable. Okay, thank you for attending and time the practical in this session. We hope the course to have second impression human resource development in your repetition workplace, and see you next time. Bye bye.